guys, welcome to Shiv Kumar News YouTube channel. Here I am only reading the Hindu newspaper. My purpose and aim is improving my knowledge and English only, nothing else. Therefore, please support and guide me. Now we start the video. First news it is written by PB Balaji, Group CFO, Tata Motors. It is viewpoint. Responsive budget that bank on India. Income tax exemption hike to rupee 12 lakh. Support to MSME expected to spur domestic consumption. The finance minister has delivered a growth-oriented budget that reaffirms the government's commitment to attend a larger purpose of Viksit Bharat with the progressive policy to step up domestic consumption while driving long-term transformation. The single most important highlight of this budget is the increase in income tax exemption to rupee 12 lakh, which will raise disposable income, particularly benefiting the middle class. Apart from the suffering consumption, this move is also a message to the larger population that the benefit of a larger tax base and a better compliance is lower taxes for everybody. These argue well for the future. Physical consolidation focus. Additional, the fast growing medium, small and micro enterprising MSME sector has been given priority through the measures such as enhancing the credit guarantee cover and increasing investment and turnover limits, which provide a continuity in long-term policy. Banking on domestic consumption is a prudent strategy to cope with the rising global challenges. The budget set to revise fiscal deficit target of 4.8% of the GDP for 2024-25 with an ambitious goal of 4.4 for the next year. This continue focus on the fiscal consolidation ensure that the inflation remain in the check and investor continue to support the prudent growth story of the country. Keeping the inflation in the check is important to ensure that the gains on tax saving are not wiped out by rising costs. Keeping inflation is check is important to ensure that the gains on tax saving are not wiped out by the rising costs. Record capex allocation. The budget has allocating a record of 11.2 lakh rupee crore toward the capital expenditures. This substantial outlay will be strengthen India's infrastructure development and also stimulate private sector investment. Additionally, the 1.5 lakh crore 15-year interest-free loan to state will catalyze the vital infrastructure and development across the country, reinforcement the government's commitment to robust the public investment for the economic expansion. A dedicated nuclear energy mission with rupee 20,000 crore investment for research and development is small module reactor underscore the government's commitment to substantial energy. Moreover, the removal of the custom duties and battery manufacture equipment, powder, and the lithium iron battery waste will accelerate the growth of India's electric vehicle sector, building the talent pool. Recognizing that the India's growth will be driven by a skilled worker force, the budget emphasizes the initiative to enhance skill development. The establishment of the five national center of the excellence for skilling, along with the partnership for the global expertise, will equip India's workforce for the Make for India, Make for the World Manufacture initiative. Additionally, the expansion of the capacity of the Indian Institute of Technology and the creation of the Center of the Excellence in Artificial Intelligence are vital steps to address the evolving demand of the global technology and innovation landscape. Income tax reliefs. Income tax reliefs apart FM unveils easing of various TDS and TCS norms. Saptar Ghosh, New Delhi. Saturday revisions in income tax limit was the fourth following the a National Democratic Alliance government consecutive rules since 2014. The first revision in 2014 raised the taxable income limit from rupee 2 lakh to 2.5 lakh annually. A second revision doubled in 5 year later to 5 lakh, and third in 2023 raised it further to 7 lakh. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman informed the House that as a result of the proposal and announced on Saturday, revenue of the about rupee 1 lakh crore would be foregone in direct taxes and rupee 2600 crore in indirect taxes. Ms. Sitharaman proposed to rationalize tax deducted at source TDS by reducing the number of the rates and threshold above which TDS is lived. In addition to this, the proposed threshold amount for the tax deduction be increased for the better clarity and the uniformity. According to Purva Prakash, partner at the Deloitte India, the primary intent about the altering rates and to threshold is to managing volume of the transaction under the existing structure. This is turn would be help build further compliances, she said. About the revision, the finance minister sought the limit for the taxation on interest for the senior citizens be doubled from the present of rupee 50,000 to 1 lakh. Similarly, the present annual limit of 2.4 lakh for the TDS on rent is be increased of rupee 6 lakh. This will be reduce the number of the transactionable to TDS, thus the benefiting of the small taxpayer receiving small payments. She stated the threshold on the tax collected at source TCS on the remittance under the Reserve Bank of India's liberalization remittance scheme has also been proposed to be increased from rupee 7 lakh to 10 lakh. Significantly, the finance minister proposed to remove TCS on remittance for the education purpose. This could be potentially affect the loans taken from a bank. The finance minister has also proposed to avoid incidents wherein the both TDS and the TCS were being applied in conjunction on the sale of the goods. According to the Akhil Chandana, partner at the Grant Thornton Bharat, this would be a relief for the business to business transaction, collecting TDS from the buyers and TCS from the seller for the same transaction would be awaited. This help ease the compliance burden, he said. Next news is smartphones parts duty to be scrapped. The Hindu Bureau, New Delhi. The basic custom duty of 2.5 imposed on the certain smartphone component has been scrapped following a glide path so the recommended by the electric manufacturing industry last year. Mobile phones are fast emerging as India's top exports commodity, reaching $15.6 billion last year. Slabs for the components had been rationalized. IT Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw told the press person after the budget presentation. The rationalization of the tariff on the key inputs and the component create a more competitive cost structure and encouraging the deeper integration with the global value chain, said Pankaj Mahindra, chairman of the Indian Cellular and Electronic Association, which represent the electronic manufacturing and the assembly firm. The custom duty on the components such as the printed circuit board, assembly camera modules, fingerprint scanner were the nuisance duty. Mr. Mohindro had the complaint the last year, adding they did not contribute the significance to promote domestic manufacturing. Next news comes from China. Has China achieved a breakthrough in AI? When was DeepSeek launched? What does it claim to be better than existing layer? How does it compare with OpenAI? Why was the earlier Chinese AI chatbot the Erin bot not as successfully as DeepSeek? Why has it shaken up the AI world? What lies ahead? DeepSeek claims its module lower cost and speed up performance, making it accessible to a wide range of users. Written by John Xever. The story so far: in April 2023, a Chinese hedge fund high flyer that use artificial intelligence AI for trading set up its own AI lab DeepSeek to build a large language modules LLMs. In less than a year, the AI spin-off developed the DeepSeek 2 V2 that performed well on the several benchmarks, and when the DeepSeek V3 was launched in December, it stunned AI company as it performed far better than its predecessor at a significantly lower cost than other Chinese LLM. Subsequently, the startup launched DeepSeek R1, high flyer most advanced reasoning AI model that was on the par with the OpenAI 01 model on the several metrics. R1 leading performance at a much reduced cost of for the user, noted that the use tech against and the spoke investor as they fretted that is the emergency would be threaten the dominance of the current AI leader like Nvidia. Is the China's first foray into AI for over 2 years. San Francisco-based OpenAI dominated AI with the generative pre-trained GPT model. The startup's chatbot penned poems, wrote long format story, found bugs in the code, and to help search the internet. Albeit and a cut off date in March 2023, Baidu received the government's approvals to launch its AI chatbot Irene bot. Irene was touted as China's answer to ChatGPT after the bot received over 30 million users in sign-ups within a day of its launch. But the initial euphoria around Irene gradually ebbed as the bot pumped and dodged question about the China's President Xi Jinping, the Tiananmen Square crackdown, and Ali's human rights violation against the Uyghur Muslims. New reveals the logos DeepSeek and OpenAI chatbots on display. AF. In response to the question on this topic, the board replied, "Let's talk about the something else." As the hype and the around Irni met the reality of the Chinese censorship, several experts pointed out the difficulty of rebuilding LLM in the country. Google's former CEO and the chairman of the Eric Schmidt in a talk in October 2020 said China were late to the party. They did not get to this LLM space earlier enough. Then, how did DeepSeek enter AI? As the China's tech giant trailed, the USA tech titan merged ahead of their advances in LLM. Microsoft backed OpenAI cultivated a new crop of reasoning bot and its Zero series that were better than ChatGPT. These AI modules were the first introduced interface time scaling, how an AI model handles the increased amount of the data when it's giving answering. However, the Chinese quant fund high flat DeepSeek shook the tech world with its mixture of the expert MOE model and the DeepSeek V3 that was pre-trained on 14.8 trillion token with 671 billion parameter, of which 37 billion are activated for the E token. A MOE model used the different expert or sub model that disciplines in the different aspect of the language or the task. Each expert is activated when it is relevant to the particular task. This makes it a model for this efficient, safe resources and the speed of the processing. According to the technical paper released on the December 26, 2024, DeepSeek V3 was trained for 2.73 million GPU hours using NVIDIA H800 GPU compared to the Meta Llama and trading, which was due to NVIDIA H100 chips. DeepSeek V3 took 30.8 million GPU hours lesser. What advantage does DeepSeek R1 After seeing the earlier success, DeepSeek V3 High built in the most advanced reasoning model, DeepSeek R10, DeepSeek R1, that is the potentially disruptive in the AI industry by becoming one of the most cost-efficient module in the market compared to the OpenAI 016. The RA1 classic cost of the staggering 93 point per API. All this is the huge advantage business of the developers looking to integrate AI without the breaking the bank. The CV does not stop there. Unlike older models, the R1 can to run high-end local computers, so there is no need to costly cloud services or to dealing the pesky rates limit. This gives users the freedom to run AI tasks faster and cheaper without relying and to third-party infrastructure. Plus, R1 is then needed to be memory efficient as it requires only the portion of the RAM to operate, which is low for an AI of its caliber. Separately, by the batching the processing of the multiple tasks at the once and to leveraging the cloud, this model further lower the costs and the spend of the performer, making the even more accessible a wide range of the user. How do the two modules compare? While the DeepSeek AR1 may not be quite advanced OpenAI 03, it is almost on the par with on several metrics. According to the benchmark data on the both model on the live bench, when it comes over the or performer, the one age and R1 with the global average score of 75.67 compared to the Chinese model 71.38. OpenAI 01 continue to perform well on the reasoning task with a nearly 9-point lead to against the competitor and making it a go-to choice for the complex problem solving, the critical thinking and the language related tasks. When it comes to coding, mathematics, and the data analytics competition, it is the higher special of the data analytics are been proved to be a better into analytical large as one important area where the R1 fails to miserably is on the topic sensor in China. This elite the same response at the Erin board. Unlike the Ernie is this time around, despite the reality of the Chinese censorship, R1 has the sought to in popularity globally. It has already surpassed the major competitor like ChatGPT, Gemini, Clady become the numbers of downloading app in the USA. In India, DeepSeek is the third sport under the productivity, followed by the Gmail, ChatGPT apps. Will this see a rise in smaller models? Well, OpenAI is 04 continue to be the state of the art AM model in the market. It is only a matter of time before the other model could be take the lead of the building the super intelligent. DeepSeek through its delistization process show it can be efficiently transfer the reasonable pattern of the larger module onto a smaller module. This means the instead of the training smaller module from this using the reinforcement learning RL, which can be expensive, the knowledge and to reasoning ability acquired by the larger module can be transferred or to smaller module, resulting in the better performance. But the further of the AI race, while the digitalization could be the power method in enabling the smaller module to achieve high performance, it has its limit. For instance, a distilled model tied to the teacher model where we face the same limitation of the larger module. Also, this tiled model may not be able to replicate the full range of the capability or nuances of the larger model, while distillation is an effective tool for the transferring existing knowledge. It may not to be a part of to a major paradigm shift in AI. That means the need for GPU will increase as companies build more powerful intelligence model. From here, more computer knowledge will be needed to training, running experience, experiment, and exploring the advanced method of creating agents. What citizens of law do countries follow? Why Donald Trump is trying to overturn more than a century of precedents on birth citizenship? How will it affect Indian immigrants? What are the two principles followed around the world for granting citizenship? What is the law in India and in the neighborhood? Trump Trump's move will be certainly result in reduced immigration, both legal and illegal. Priscilla Jabaraj. The story so far in the gale of executive order announced after the Donald Trump assumed office for a second term, the president issued once diluting birthright citizenship, which has been written into the USA Constitution since 1866. The order has been challenged in the court more than 20 states, and a federal judge has temporarily blocked it. If implemented, it will be means that the children born to illegal immigrants as well as those legally in the USA on a temporary visas for study, work, or tourism purpose will not be eligible for automatic USA citizens. At least one parent must now be a USA citizen, legal permanent resident. The order say. What is the history of the birthright citizenship? The 14th Amendment to its USA Constitution, which granted citizenship to all persons born or naturalized in the United States and subjected to the jurisdiction, therefore, was enacted in 1866 against the backdrop of the Civil War, which had just ended. It was an effort to guarantee the equal civil and legal right to black citizens. It was a means to overturn the infamous USA Supreme Court ruling of 1857 in Dred Scott versus Sandford, which held that enslaved people brought to the massive USA President Donald Trump issued the executive order in the Oval Office at the White House in Washington, USA on January 20. Reuters brought to the USA and their descendants could not be a citizens of the country. The principal had to challenge in the 1890 a timing of the rising anti-immigration sentiment when Wong Kim Ark, born in the US as the son of the Chinese nation, went to visit relative in China, was denied to re-entry into the US on the ground that he was an American citizen. And 1898 the Supreme Court upheld his citizenship establishment that the every citizen or subject to another country while domiciled here is within the allegiance and the protection and consequent subject to the jurisdiction of the United States over the century. Later, Mr. Trump seeking to contest the court interpretation and the jurisdiction, arguing his executive order that the children of those unlawful present who residents in the USA is lawful temporary are not be subject to USA jurisdiction. His supporter rail against the practice of the birth tourism and anchor babies where foreign nationals seek to give birth in the USA in the hope that those babies will be able to help their family migrate to the country as well. How do citizenship law vary elsewhere? The USA follow the principle of the Jews solely, the right of soul based on the geography regardless of the parental citizenship, or as opposed to jus sanguinis, the right of blood, which gives the citizenship based on the nationality of the child parents, according to the CIA World Factbook. There are the only 37 countries which currently enforce the jus soli principle, of which 29 are in the American. Of the other 8, 2 are in India's neighborhood, Nepal, Pakistan. Thought the latter introduced a bill seeking to end this jus soli historically allowed the colonizers to quick outnumber native population as citizens. Countries that have they traditionally built their national character through the diverse immigration population have used just jus soli as a way of integrating diversity into a common stream of the nationhood, say Amitabh Mato, deans of the School of the International Study at the Jawaharlal Nehru University, adding that the country protect of their culture and identity have generally followed the principle of the jus sanguinis. Jus soli derives from the English common law until anti-migrant backlash of a few decades ago was implemented in the UK and most of the former colonies, including India. India has offered automatic citizenship to all born on India soil before 1987, introducing the citizenship bill by parliament in 1955. Then Home Minister Govind Vallabh Pant said the mere fact of the birth in India invest with the right of the citizenship in India. We have taken a Compolitian view and in the according with the spirit of the time, with the temper atmosphere which we wish to promote in the civilized world. 3 decades later, sentiments has changed in the wake of the unrest in Assam due to increasing migration from the Bangladesh as well as the influx of refugees from Sri Lanka followed by the civil war there. The time has come to tighten up our citizenship laws. We cannot be generous at the cost of our own people, at the cost of our own development, said P. Chidambaram, Union Minister of the State for the Home Affairs, while introducing the Citizenship Amendment Bill in the Lok Sabha in 1986. Will the order affect Indian immigrant? America once considered itself a melting pot, welcoming the immigration to becoming the citizenship, but they have lately abandoned that the metaphor for the salad ball of the indistinct ethnical. The rise of the identity political as well as a political Islam had to the desire to redefine citizenship, say Professor Metto. It will be certainly result in the reduced immigration, both the legal and illegal, of the 47.8 million immigrants living in the USA in 2023. 2.8 million were born in India, the second large group after those born in Mexico, according to the data analyzed by the Pew Research Center. About 1.45 thousand people born in India are estimated to have been arrived in the USA in 2022 legally and illegally. There are estimated to be 7,25,000 illegal immigrants from India living in the USA. Every year, more than 70% of the H-1B visa, a temporary work visa that is often seen as a pathway to permanent resident, are issued to Indian citizens. There are more than 3,30,000 Indians in the USA on student visa, many of the whom who to apply for a permanent residency. Over a million Indians, including a dependents, are also waiting for employment with a green card. For many of them, Mr. Trump's order come as a blow. Reports have emerging of the dozens of the pregnant women and temporary visa seeking to give birth prematurely before the other order came into effect, so their children can be born as USA citizens. So this is today one important vocabulary. Today one important vocabulary word is appease, adjective. Hindi meaning is खुश करना, शांत करना. Pacify or placate someone by acceding to their demand. Synonymous: placate, comfort, mollify, pacify, soothe, propitiate. Antonyms: infuriate, anger, inflame. Example stand: when I reported the cashier poor customer service, the manager tried to appease me with the offer of a free pizza. So this is today lecture. Please like, share and comment. Like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Press bell icon for notification. Thank for my watching. We meet tomorrow for next video. Thank for watching.